This cute little kitty here is Lita. Lita is a 6-year-old black and white domestic shorthair. She's kind of a kitty with a small stature. She's got little flecks all over of white all over through her black coat, so it makes her kind of a unique looking kitty. She was brought in by her former owners because one of their children in the family had allergies, so they weren't able to keep her. So now we need to find a new home for Lita. Lita is a nice cat. She likes to be petted. She seems to be interested in the toys, so I imagine she's probably a little bit on the playful side, interested in checking things out. So if you think you can make a nice home for Lita, come on down to the Maryland Heights Humane Society. She's spayed and she's up to date on her vaccinations, so we just need to find a new home for her. She's all ready to go, and she's got gorgeous features and gorgeous coat. She's just a nice cat, so come on down to meet her, and hopefully you will be the new forever home just for her.